In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student? Now, in total, 9 courses are available. Out of them, 2 specific courses are compulsory. So, 2 specific courses are compulsory. That means they have to be selected. And out of the remaining 7 courses, now we have to select the courses. Now the student has to choose a program of 5 courses. 2 are already selected. That means he has to choose 7 from the remaining 7 courses. So therefore, we can write this down as 2C2 multiplied by 7C3. 2C2 is nothing but 1. So therefore, answer comes as 7C3. So answer will be option B.